Did you know that catching someone else's yawn signals high empathy levels in your brain? When you see someone yawn, your brain activates the mirror neurons that help you feel what they feel. This reaction shows a level of emotional connection between people that is quite fascinating. Research suggests this behavior is not just about tiredness, but rather a sign of social bonding. So, the next time you catch a yawn, remember it's your brain's way of saying, "I understand you." Interestingly, this empathy extends beyond yawning to other emotional cues too. It's a reminder that humans are inherently social beings, wired to connect with each other. So what about you? Do you find yourself yawning when others do? Share this if you learned something new about empathy today. And remember, every yawn is a sign of our shared human experience.